C.E. Thurston Sons was founded in 1919 in Southern Virginia and operated as a contractor for manufacturing and packing companies in the area. By 1946, the company had begun to provide contracting services for the installation, repair, and removal of insulation and refractory materials. According to Thurston, it provided insulation materials and contracting in 13 states along the East Coast and specifically in shipyards in Virginia. Though it didn't manufacture its own asbestos-containing products, Thurston employees risked exposure to the dangerous ingredient as they installed and removed contaminated materials. Workers like insulators, shipbuilders, and plant-to-refinery workers also were at risk of exposure, even if they only worked around products that were already installed by Thurston employees. The company stopped supplying and installing asbestos-containing insulation and refractory materials in the late 1970s. It still operates today and performs asbestos abatement in addition to other services. Thurston filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in 2003, in part due to the asbestos injury claims it had been handling since the mid-1980s. In 2006, the C.E. Thurston Sons Asbestos Trust was established with over $50 million in funds. The trust has a designated payment value schedule that allots different amounts for each of the different asbestos-related diseases. Then, compensation is calculated using a payment percentage, which for the Thurston Trust is 50%. That's higher than many of the other trusts. Over $1.5 million was paid out in claims in 2022, according to the annual financial report filed by the trust. Of that, about $1.3 million was paid toward mesothelioma claims, and $22,000 was paid toward severe asbestosis. We've helped thousands of people receive compensation for their asbestos injuries. Let us help you.